Ricky, thanks for getting back to me. You know, I've been jiggling this thing all weekend, trying not to damage it, but no matter, again, I've been doing this all weekend. I cannot get it in. And again, I'm trying not to jiggle too hard, but it just does not work. I love the bike. I'm not sure if something happened to it and when it sat in Tennessee for those 2 weeks. I don't know what to do. I'd like to keep the bike, but obviously, you know, I can't even, well, you told me not to do it from that end, but just so you can see it, I mean, it doesn't even go in. Like, so I'm not sure what to do. So let me know. I jiggled away all weekend and it just will not go. I rotated it and everything. So again, I must be doing something wrong, so please help me if you can. Thank you.